Alright guys, a question of the day. What is the difference between Christianophobia and Islamophobia? Here's my problem. When any non-Muslim says anything about the Prophet Muhammad, they start screaming Islamophobia. When any non-Muslim burn the Quran, it becomes Islamophobia. Any non-Muslim say anything about the Islam, it becomes Islamophobia. If any non-Muslim make a cartoons of the Muhammad, it becomes Islamophobia. Right? Now, when any non-Christian says anything about the Jesus Christ, how come we do not scream a Christianophobia? When any non-Muslim make cartoons of Jesus Christ, how come we do not scream a Christianophobia? When any non-Muslim climb on the church, break the crosses, how come we do not scream a Christianophobia? Just a question of the day. Thank you.